Hey everyone, meet our color sorting wooden train, the perfect mix of play and learning. This fun pull along train helps kids match colors, stack blocks, and boost creativity while having a blast. This is made of kid safe and high quality wood and is designed to keep your little conductor engaged for hours. It improves fine motor skills, encourages color recognition and sorting, safe and eco friendly. Want to get one? Order now through WhatsApp. Number is in the video. Let the fun begin with Chico Bells.